Dance, turkey, dance. Dance. What are you doing?
Cigarettes.
You smoking? Are you smoking, turkey? Don't you be smoking. You have asthma.
This is me, Parker Bingenheimer.
And I'm Dr. Sunja 14.
And this is Taxi Drive. And I'm the taxi driver.
The seatbelt's broken. You're gonna kill us all.
I'm not.
Okay, let's go. Ow! Oh! Hey, where'd the turkey go? What the heck? Where'd it go? Where'd it go, Parker? Just go. Forget it. Forget the turkey. There's the turkey.
Where?
Over there.
Starting his 10th straight game.
Take a stand, everybody.
I love the radio system.
Come take my hand. We'll walk this road together through the storm, whatever weather. And I wanna be a turkey. The fun. Ah! Yeah! High five! Oh my God, my hand! Let's go!
Taxi Dad number 2.
He's just on the refrigerator. He's so slow! Ride the go-kart with my brother. We're so cool, we like sticking each other. Hut, 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 hut. Yeah. There's a turkey there!
Stop. I gotta tell you guys something.
Aww. Oh my God! No! No! Okay, this is Brant Austin. Okay, the song we're about to sing was recommended by Alicia Henry. Hey Alicia. Hey, okay, let's go. You ready? Oh, red wine. You sing that part?
Okay, come back.
Gaga.
Oh.
I've had a little bit too much. All of the people start to rush.
They also sluts.
How does he twist the dance? Can't find my drink or bed. Where are my keys? I lost my phone. What's going on the floor? I love this record, baby, but I can't see it anymore. What's the name of this club? I can't remember, but it's alright, Just dance, it'll be okay. Why don't you dance? Just dance, this record's gonna be okay. Dance, just dance.
Playboy now. You missed it.
How did I turn my shirt inside out? Control your poison, babe. Roses and thorns outside. And we're all getting close tonight. What are you doing? I love this.